Welcome back to F.U.N. That's right, F.U.N. F, F, U, U, F, F, U, N, Network. Welcome back to F.U.N. Network. F, U, N, N. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your patience. I truly appreciate it. Thank you. I am Zenobia with my co-host, as you can see. I like to call my co-host O.E. or O English. Either one to do. Say hello, O.E. Oh, hello. It feels so good to be back to life, back to reality, back to the here and now. Oh yeah. Oh, ha, ha, ha. It's so good to be back. Back? Yes, I'm back. You know, I don't even know how I tried with you. Be you, OE. Do you? Yes, that's OE, my co-host. And today, we are here having a wonderful discussion. Oh, let's not call it a discussion. This segment is dedicated to the great prime time, Deion Sanders, and it is also, once again, to say to his haters, all that I have for you is tomato fingers in the air, in the air, air, in the air, in the air. Yes, two middle fingers in the air. Yes. Two middle fingers in the air, in the air. OE, you're catching on. Ooh, yes, let's applaud for OE. You're catching on. Wonderful. As I was saying, back to what I was saying. Yes, back to what this episode, this brief segment is about. Once again, we want to give praise and respect to the great job that Deion Sanders and the entire coaching staff for the Colorado Buffaloes are doing. We are now 3-2. We will take it. We're above 500. We got Arizona State up next. And, it's as good as gold as far as I'm concerned. I'm looking for a wonderful outcome of where we are now 4-2 to your haters. Yeah, baby. We're going to be 4-2. 4-2. 4-2. Let me rephrase it. 4-2. We're going to be 4-2. 4-4-2. 4-2. 4-2. To you haters. 4-2. That's what we're going to be. I'm looking forward to a great game. And in this past game, even in defeat, great experience by Shador. 5 touchdowns. It was competitive. One score. Great job by Kamani. I'm so happy. He got that opportunity and he took it and shined. Same thing with Amarian. You took it and you ran with it. Respect and praise to these freshmen. Way to step up when it was called, when it was time to. May your next experience be that in a victory. In a victory. And that's what we're going to see come post game. We're going to hear about that. 4 and 2. Oh, yeah. We're going to be 4. To all you haters, can you see the 4? You see the 4? And 2. 4 and 2. Respect to Coach Prime, the coaches and the players. But with all the attention the entire world upon you stay humble. In the face of haters, you smile. Even in the face of defeat. You understand? That's a champion. Because you know you be building. And you know you're going to come back. So it ain't a problem. Oh, pardon me. I'm sorry. I got carried away. Let me taste the can. You know what's going down. So, once again, I'm proud of the Colorado Buffs. The way you stood with USC. We're going to get over these late starts. And everybody, if they do their job, it's a win. Plain and simple. And on that note, let's go Buffs. Let's go Dion. Let's go the players, coaching staff, the fans. We about to be 4 and 2. Respect.